So, welcome back to another video. My car just told me I'm out of window washer fluid, Scheiben Frostschutz. So I went to Germany and got myself from NIGRIN, one of my favorite German car care brands, the Scheiben Frostschutz Mix, and it's up to -18, so you really need to have polar climate for it to get to that. And what I like it's 5 liter. I paid like just under €9 for it. You just pour it in and you're done. It has been tested very good. See, Autobildzeitung, NIGRIN, good. And what I really appreciate is that it has Energizer in it. And I looked it up. It has a special scent that is supposed to wake you up while driving. Yeah, and I don't know about you, but if you are on a long road trip and you're tired, sometimes you can use a bit of Energizer. You don't want to drink Monster all the time because it makes you go bananas at one point of time. But I think, yeah, this is maybe some unique selling point. We're going to give it a try. Most of these Frostschutz, especially the cheap ones in the winter, what they do is they just put you to sleep because of the huge chemical smell that comes through the vents, or a big alcohol smell. So let's see if this is anything nice, and let's open it up and see what it smells like. I really like these big containers, and they're very easy to transport, and yeah, you can just store them. Okay, let's see what this smells like. Wow. Okay, I'll tell you exactly what this smells like. It does not smell at all. It does not smell at all like alcohol, but it smells like a very fresh spearmint or ice mint chewing gum. And yeah, I think this is quite pleasant. So I can imagine that when you drive and you spray the window and you smell this, you kind of get like a small kick from it and wake up. And but let's pour it in and let's see if you actually smell it also in the car. And I don't know about you, I'm the type of person that likes to spray a lot. I do think that my tank is 3 liters here, and usually this gets me 5 liter, well, gets me through the winter. It's very difficult to pour. I wish they would have included some of these tips that some of the other brands have, so that it's easier to put in. But else just get you one of these tips so that you don't pour it everywhere like I'm doing right now. So, sehr schön. Let's get the first 3 liters in here. Color is also very nice. It doesn't have a chemical smell at all. About 4 liter went into the Tesla, so that's very good. I have a little bit left. Let's close it up and see what it smells like together. So we're back in the car. If we can smell the Energizer here in the car. Here comes the product. Nice blue color. Ah, sehr schön. I'm smelling. Now, very mildly I would say, not too strong, but I guess that's also good because I've had another screen window wash fluid in the winter from NIGRIN where you really smell it very intensively and it almost just like knocks you off your socks. But this one is pleasant. I smell it a little bit. Actually smells a little bit like air refresher. Quite pleasant, so I think it's nice to have it in the winter, and yeah, that it can go up to -18. That means you can literally take your car everywhere or leave it parked for an extended period of time and not having to worry that the tubes for the window washer fluid freeze up. And make sure that you also drain the window washer fluid so that you spread the product around the tubes of your car and that it doesn't freeze up. Don't mix summer and winter together because then all sorts of chemical reactions can happen. Your car may start farting or something may break. Don't do that. Just get rid of it the summer and get a nice winter one like this one. I like the Energizer smell. I feel a little bit more energized. I think if you do this on a long road trip, it's nice because maybe if you'll go on a winter sport and a long road trip, you need to drink 1 Monster less or 1 Red Bull less because you have this Energizer smell. And that helps to save money, and it's also good for your heart and your body. Let me know if you've used NIGRIN with Energizer for in the winter. What's your opinion with it? I'll put a link in the description. Wishing you a fantastic winter and hope to see you in my future videos. Auf Wiedersehen!